Hello, welcome to today's tutorial. My name is Martin from Email Bouncer, and today I will teach you how to add any email to Gmail app in 11 simple steps. So if you have a business email address or you'd love to add any of your email address from a different email service provider to the Gmail app and you don't know how to do it, ensure you watch this video to the very end because I will walk you through how it's done. So without wasting much time, let's head straight to the business of the day. So first thing first, you need to open up the Gmail app, and then you go to the settings tab by clicking these three dots, the menu icon on the top left hand corner of your Gmail application. So it's going to redirect you to the settings corner where you can scroll down and click on settings. Tap settings at the bottom of the menu that opens up, and you click on add accounts. So here you're going to add the account, that's the email address that you want to add to Gmail app, and you click on add accounts here. So it's going to redirect you to the option to select the type of email that's in step 4. So in this, when you get to this page, you click on order, select order as the account that you want to set up, and it's going to redirect you to the points where you have to add your email address. So here you're going to enter the email address that you want to add to the Gmail app. So in my case, I'm adding Martin at AIBookForum at AIBook.forum, and then I'm going to click on next. So when you click on next, it's going to redirect you. Here you have to select the account type. What type of account do you want to add? Always go for personal IMAP. So when you click on IMAP, it's going to redirect you to the next page where you have to add your password. So here you're going to provide the password of your email address. That's the email address that you added in the previous step. So you add the password here, and in the next page, you have to enter the incoming server settings, which is also the server name. So in my case, my incoming server or my mail server is mail.aibook.forum. So you can fetch your mail server from your email service provider. If you're using a Microsoft, you can search online on Google for the correct mail server ID. Now, in my case, I'm using mail.aibook.forum. So once you've entered the incoming server settings, you scroll down and click on next, and it's going to redirect you to step 9, where you also have to provide the outgoing server settings. Now, in my case, my outgoing server settings is the same thing as my incoming mail server settings. So you can see in the incoming server settings, I used mail.aibook.forum. So I'm going to use the same thing for the SMTP server. That's the outgoing server. So which is also mail.aibook.forum. So once I've added that, I'm going to scroll down and click on next. And here, this is the account options. You just have to specify the settings for your account. So here, you just set how often Gmail should look for new emails, when you get notifications and more. And you could also uncheck any of this option. So the first option says notify me when email arrives. That's whenever you receive an incoming email. And the second option says sync email for this account. That's occasionally the Gmail app will sync to see if there's any new incoming emails for this account. And the last option, automatically download attachments when connected to Wi-Fi. So you could choose to disable any of these options and also select your sync frequency. So I always go for the default settings, which is 15 minutes, and then I click on next. And this is the final step. So at this point, if you've gotten to this stage, then congratulations, you've successfully added your email to the Gmail app. And here you just have to specify your display name. So this display name shows, this display name is what shows whenever you send an email to another user. Now, in my case, I'm using Martin from AI Book. So you could also decide to use whatever suits your fancy. It could be your name from your company. That's it. And here, the account name also optional. So you could use the email address that you added. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video to the end. And I believe you've learned something new. So if you've actually learned something from this video, kindly like the video, and don't forget to share and subscribe, and also turn on the bell notification icon so whenever we publish new content, you won't miss out. And before I end this video, I want to show you something. So if you don't have a business email address and you'd like to create a business email address like your name at domain.com, head over to your browser tab and search for Email Bouncer Academy. So you click on the first option, and here you can check out our course on how to set up a free business email address by clicking on Browse Courses. And you scroll down here, set up free business email hosting. So with this course, you can learn how to set up your own custom business email address. Yeah, so this way you can send customized emails from your name at yourdomain.com, and it's going to help you look professional and stand out in your niche. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in our next tutorial. Bye-bye.